What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I've had several comments asking how I flip the mirrors on the Yamaha Bolt. So today we're gonna go over that. So we got the mirrors here. Basically where the flip comes in is it's more of a bobber style. You see it a lot on the Harleys, but it's a little different on the Yamaha Bolt. I know on the Harleys, you literally just flip the mirrors. The right one up top goes on the left bottom. The left top goes on the right bottom and you're done. But for the Yamaha Bolt, it doesn't exactly work that way. So there's two things that you have to buy. I'm gonna link that in the description of the video. One of them, if you look at my left bars here, you can see this here. And this is the piece that you're gonna need to buy. It's basically a clamp with these, and all you're doing is clamping it to the bars. And you're gonna have to move your clutch lever. You'll have to move this over and put this in the middle of this and the clutch lever here. These here come in a pack. You have this one for this side, and you have this one for this side. You have to buy this because it doesn't work. You're basically cross-threading. So you have to get the male or the female, I don't know which one it is. You have to get that for the left-hand side mirror. And then also for the Yamaha Bolt, you have to flip the stems. Not only do you flip the location of the mirrors, but you flip the stems. You have to flip the stems, and you have to get this add-on for the right-hand side. I think altogether, between these and the female add-on, it's like $5 to flip your mirrors. Once you have your mirrors, you can see that my handlebar is locked right now, and there's space right there between the tank and the mirrors. So as you can see, this is my view here. I can turn my handlebars all the way to the left, and there's space. Turn my handlebars all the way to the right. There's a gap. You can still adjust these up and down. And basically what you have to do is you have to play with the stem. Sometimes you have to turn the mirror just to get it right. And you just adjust the stem. That way, it's never gonna touch. And it's a pretty easy job. I mean, it's probably about a 30-minute job and you're done. But if you guys do like these kind of videos, give it a like. I've got a few more videos to go. Let me know what you guys want to see, and thank you for watching.